Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will handle you guys on swing trading confirmations. What are the candlestick reaction that you see on your point of interest? Then you should know that you are good to go. A lot of people have been indicating that I should actually teach them confirmations because I myself I don't. I can't remember the last time I used market order. I always use pending orders because I always trust my analysis. Okay, and after teaching you confirmations, I will also show you why I don't trade confirmations because it might complicate things if I should teach you before showing you confirmations. I'm gonna teach you confirmations, swing trading confirmations first. The candlestick reactions, candlestick chart pattern that you see on your point of interest, then you can take the trade. Okay, let's start with trading confirmation as a swing trader. Now, as a swing trader, you don't actually need much. All you have to do is to understand your chart patterns, candlestick chart pattern. Okay, such as the one that I normally see often on my charts. I normally teach with experience. I don't teach you what I don't know. Since I started my YouTube channel, I only teach what I have experienced in live trading, not assumptions, not the one that they taught me during our Zoom classes and the rest of them. No, what I have experienced here on my live chat. Okay. A bullish hammer, a bullish hammer, a pin bar, engulfing bearish bullish engulfing chart patterns, power of three, mm-hmm, pin bars. These are the at least the recent candlestick I have been seeing on my points of interest, which are mostly sniper interest because I price normally starts me in with a week. I hardly even see this thing. I hardly even see engulfing chart patterns. Hardly. I hardly see engulfing chart patterns on my points of interest. It's always bearish hammer, bullish hammer, pin bars, you know, these are the ones I do see often. All right, let me show you, for example, then let us move into examples before I tell you guys what I really have in mind, before I explain to you guys why I don't use confirmations. And if if you really understand this very, very well, it will help you a lot in gaining confidence. Okay? All right. Now let's move. Now, this is the trade I took the other day, which I told you about. Now, this is where I put my entry. Okay, let me take this out. Let me take this out. Go, 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 go. Now, if you watch closely, what this is actually a three candlestick formation, and this is a candlestick chart pattern. For those that don't really know what this means, this is also one of a confirmation that you guys are asking me for. Yes, this is a candlestick. This is a bullish candlestick. In the middle is indecision. This candlestick means indecision. It does not, it doesn't know whether it's going up or it's going down. It is indecision. Yeah. And once the opposite of this appears next, fire down. Once the opposite of this appears next, fire down. Indecision always come in between bearish and bullish or bullish and bearish. All right. These are three powerful candlestick chart patterns. Three candlestick chart candlestick pattern, not chart pattern, straight candlestick pattern. Okay, bullish, indecision, bearish. If this happens to be bullish, that means I'm going to lose this trade. And if I'm active, then if I'm on the charts, I'll end it. If I'm on the chart, I'll end it. For me to see a bearish candlestick after this indecision here, it tells me that I am good to go. You understand? This is another this is another formation that you should firstly note of. All right. Three candlestick formation. Just note that indecision should be in between. All right. Indecision should be in between. Now, let's try and check another. Let's try and take another entry. Okay. As you can see, this, will I call this a pin bar? Let's call this one a pin bar. Let's take it so you can see very clearly. Let's call this a pin bar before the engulfing, and price didn't actually engulf it well, right? Let's call this a pin bar because I was just tapped in. Snapper interest. Snapper interest. Why looking for confirmations when you trust your analysis very well? All right, let's check this. Let's check this. Let's check this. Like I told you guys, this one I used my trend line. Okay, first touch, second touch, touch. Although, yeah, it's a good example of engulfing candlestick, engulfing candlestick pattern, engulfing. This bearish candlestick was able to engulf this bullish candlestick. You can let me zoom it for you guys. Engulfing candlestick patterns. First touch, second touch, the third touch, like I always tell you guys, if you have been watching my videos, you notice that the third touch is always the trigger point. Okay, okay, this is it. You enter. This is your confirmation. Candle candlestick, the bearish candlestick was able to engulf the bullish candlestick. This is your confirmation as a swing trader. This is your confirmation as a swing trader. Let me know if I was able to take another trade on this pair, so that I was able to show you guys. I don't think so. I was able to take a trade on this pair. Okay, this one price took me out. Not a loss, sure, but it took me out. Like I also did, guys, the way I did trades, I this is a support. This is a resistance, don't support. If you can see, bearish momentum, bearish momentum, bearish momentum, and price was able to finally take it out. It will come back to retest it. I placed my entry here, and when I was up 1%, like I always do, once I'm up 1%, I will shift to break even. Break even means adjusting my stop loss to my entry. All right, but price foolishly came back to my entry and hit my stop loss, then continue its up movement. I'll have made a lot of money here, but I choose to ignore. Since price came down to take me at so be it. I don't rush trades. There are so many opportunities on chart, so many. So when price choose to take me out, I take that one as a bygone and open for next entry. Let me start looking. Okay, yeah. I think I've explained to you how I was able to get this analysis. This is also a pin bar. Let me delete this. Okay, this is also a pin bar. And if you check quite alright, it nearly formed what I told you guys. It nearly formed what I told you guys. Bullish candlestick, indecision, bullish, indecision, bearish, indecision, bullish, indecision, pin bar. And it forms a bearish pin and a bearish hammer. This is a bearish hammer. This is what hammer looks like. This is a bearish hammer. For those that doesn't know all these things, you don't need to cram it, please. I have a PDF from my academy, not my academy. Sorry, I'll call it mine because that's where I was raised. That's where I was brushed up. I can't stop recommending them. They are very, very, very good. Okay. I still have their PDF with me here concerning candlesticks. These are if you really pay attention to this, you able to understand and know how you're able to interpret candlestick reactions. This is a hammer. Okay, this is a full body. Everything just quite here. Everything. Like I told you, this is a bearish hammer. The one that I was just showing you. Okay, as you can see, this just about candlestick reactions. If you actually need this, just chat me up. I'll be dropping a link to my WhatsApp, to my direct WhatsApp. If you need this PDF, just chat me up. I'll willing to give you out for free. I don't have anything to, I'm not interested in charging you for now. I'm just happy sharing my knowledge with you guys so that you guys were able to, make profits. Like I was saying, this is a bullish indecision and a bearish hammer, a confirmation that you should do what? Sell. All right? A confirmation that you should do what? Sell. What again are you guys waiting for? That's nothing. All right, see this one. This is a pin bar. Let me delete this so you can see very well. This is also a pin bar. The one that I recovered my losses from. Like I told you guys, I took a loss here. Actually took a loss here because it formed a bullish hammer, giving me confirmation that I should still remain on the trade. But later on, price decided to took me out. Okay, price decided to take me out. Like I always tell you guys, price is inefficient. It's not always 100% balanced. When I took a loss here, I discovered that this was actually a very high, strong support, which means price might actually come back to the test it, which it did. And this is where I now made my profit back, recovered from my profit and have a lot more to flex right now. And price actually tapped me in again with a weak sniper entry. This, I can call this a pin bar. I can call this a pin bar. Yeah, check. Let me show you every example of what I was saying. Now, this is a bearish hammer. This is an indecision. This is an indecision. And this is a bearish, very, very big bearish candlestick, which indicates that it is a strong sell. After an indecision is formed, if the next candlestick that's following it is bearish, sell. If the next candlestick that is following it is bullish, please buy. These are just simple understanding that you will know after acquiring the knowledge. You can be able to interpret charts so easily, even by looking at it. You don't need to complicate things. I have you seen me drawing lines like an idiot in my chart just look very neat. I always only focus on my area of concentration. All right. Double top, break of structure, retest, boom, sell. You understand? Okay. Now, let me now tell you why I don't trade confirmation. Please listen attentively. Why I don't trade confirmation. This is the most important part of this video. I I, I plead you not to skip. As a swing trader, you are being exposed to lesser risk. Okay? You are being exposed to lesser risk. But trading confirmation exposes you to high risk. As a swing trader, I repeat, you are exposed to lesser risk. But trading confirmation exposes you to high risk. Now, let's use this for example. Like I told you guys where to place your entry. Okay, this is where to place your entry, and you know that this is actually your entry, and you are waiting for confirmation. Like a smart student, the way we are being taught, you have to wait for the closure of the candle first. You don't confirm when the candle is still on, no matter the time frame that you are. Please stick to one time frame. If you're doing your analysis on 4 hours, and please wait, confirm your analysis on that 4 hours. If you're doing your analysis on 2 hours, confirm your analysis on that 2 hours. If you're doing analysis on 1 hour, confirm your analysis on that 1 hour. You understand? So if I'm to actually wait for this candlestick to close for me to confirm that yes, my entry is valid, which means I will be placing my entry. I will no longer be placing my short entry here again. I will no longer be placing my short entry here. I will be placing my short entry at the closure of this candle. Now, putting my stop loss above the wick. I can see that you see that I'm now being exposed to high risk. My target should be at the next swing. It is one. It's not even up to one is to two risk to reward ratio. By the time your stop loss is larger, of course, greediness will come in. You will love to target 1:2, 1:3, 1:4. Sometimes you might be lucky though, quite alright. Sometimes you might be lucky because here, if assuming I actually trade confirmation on this, I will still be in profit. This is actually 1:3. You grab this actually 1:3, but it exposes you to danger. Look at how heavy your stop loss is. Just look at how heavy your stop loss is. You understand? This is the main reason why I don't trade confirmation. If I'm to use my pending order easily, this is my entry, and my stop loss will be just at above the candlestick. That's it. Then my take profit is at the next high, at the next swing, giving me 1:4 risk reward ratio with a little if assuming price takes me out here, can't you see that I will lose a little? If price happens to take me out here, I'm losing little. I'm losing little. Price is trade price is not that 100% sufficient that yeah, no. With that high stop loss, if price should actually hit a stop loss, you are losing big. It will affect your risk management and it will affect your psychology. Losses, if you don't take time, losses will affect your psychology. All right. Now, this is why I don't trade confirmation. Let me show you another example here. All right. Let's use this one again. All right. Double top, break, boom. This is my line. Just like I was being taught, I should wait until the closure of the candlestick before I can able to read my confirmation. Now, this is where the candlestick closed. Okay. If I'm to trade confirmation here, this is where I'm to put my entry over here. Then my stop loss should be a little bit above the wick in case price might come back to dance around it a little bit above the wick. Are you not seeing the danger that you're exposing yourself to? Then your entry, your take profit should be at the next swing. The next swing is not even up to 1:5. See, it's not even up to 1:2. This is why I don't trade confirmations. I love being safe. Nothing stopped me from holding this trade till here, but it's part of being disciplined. Just take it, it's just part of being disciplined. Risk management, discipline, knowledge, key. If you can able to grab these three factors onto yourself, I promise you that you are not far from being a profitable trader and you can boast of it. And once you start being profitable, you have started. Once you start being profitable, your mind is easy. You're no longer as scared of the market. You're no longer as afraid of the market. Now, look at my entry. my stop loss just being a little bit above this week. Boom. 1:2. As easy as 1:2. But when I took this trade, it gave me 1:3, which means my stop loss isn't here. Okay. It gave me, I can remember it was 1:3 when I took this trade. You guys can testify. I made a video on this particular analysis. 1:3. Save. Once you trust your analysis, once you know what you are doing, there is no need waiting for confirmation. As a swing trader, please, I don't know for day traders, I don't know for retail traders, I don't know for scalpers, but as a swing trader, price, once you know what you are doing, price should actually respect your point of interest. Once you know what you are doing. All right? This is the same thing that will happen to you anywhere, anywhere, anywhere. This is why I don't trade confirmation. At least you guys have seen my reasons. Okay? You guys have seen my reasons. Now I'm going to drop analysis for you guys here. This is SUI USDT on 2 hours time frame. SUI on 2 hours time frame. Okay. Now this is a swing high. This is a swing low. This is a swing high. Although price is also reacting to this resistance. Price is still reacting to this resistance here. But as you can see, in as long as I'm consigned, where I'm waiting for my buy entry, I'm waiting for my buy entry either at this junction or here. All right. This is the two places I'm waiting for my buy entry. If you want to confirm, you use your feed tools. This is the latest swing low, and this is the latest swing high. This is off. This is totally off. That means I'll be looking to buy from from premium. This is premium and discounts. Okay. I'm looking to buy from this zone, not here. Which means if I actually place my entry here, I'm likely to receive a loss, despite here being a swing high. Despite here being a swing high, you should actually balance your equations for you to be completely safe. Okay, for you to be completely safe. So the best way to actually take this trade is by putting your entry right here. This is where I will be anticipating my buy. Then my stop loss will be a little bit above this week, exposing me to very low risk. Then my TP should be at the next swing, which is here. 1:4 risk reward ratio. All right, save this. You can put it on your Binance or your Bybit, whichever platform you're trading with. I promise you that it's although market is not 100% solution, but with my knowledge on this field, I'm expecting you to to have a good returns. See you on my next video. I'll be dropping again another powerful concept about swing trading. Swing trading to me have been the best so far, and I am in love with trading ever since I become a swing trader. All right, see you guys. Please, if this video is actually helpful for you, if you're able to learn something, or if I'm able to impart something to you, do well to hit that subscribe button, turn up your notification button, and leave a comment on the comment section so that this video could be able to recommended to those newbies just like it was recommended to you. All right, catch you. See you. Bye.